We got a keeper redfish here. Caught it right across the river, literally. Caught two, let one go. But let's see what it has in its stomach here. It's full, as you can tell. Crab claw. Oh yeah, a whole bunch of crabs. And a leaf, a couple of different leaves in its stomach. Yep. Just a bunch of crabs. Look, you can see the bottom of the crab right there. It's a crab leg. That's what they're back here eating. Crabs and leaves. There's a bunch of crabs in here, these little guys. And that's my bait. Well, give it to the catfish.